Hey everybody, in this video we are diving into this milestone of hitting six figures in sales inside of Amazon ads. If you run Amazon ads, you know that you have to calculate your cost and profitability, and it's different than your actual royalties in your pocket in your bank account. In this video, I'm just breaking down the power of Amazon ads so you can familiarize yourself, get comfortable, get confident with turning on ads. Some people ask me, Jenny, how well do you think you would have done organically? I really can't tell you that because I turned on ads immediately, almost on all of my books, if they are created based off of keywords that are validated. And from that process, I am very confident that I will get sales and learn more about my customer through that process. So let's dig into what we are focusing on, and that is the ins and outs of Amazon ads and what we can learn from it when we want to focus on that for our books. This is a screenshot as of today. I've been running Amazon ads for 545 days. You can see here that I have spent $17,000, $17,238.12. I have now spent more on Amazon ads than I have spent on Facebook ads. I would like to change that. I would like to do more Facebook ads for my courses. So this didn't happen overnight. That's a really important thing. If you're new to my channel, I have documented vigorously, relentlessly about my journey with Amazon ads, just to let you know that don't expect it to be overnight. And it's actually better if it's not overnight, right? Like spending $17,000 overnight. I am not that business owner yet. Maybe in the future. Maybe in the future I would love to be able to spend money to make money overnight. Okay. So we crossed six figures for sales. That's very exciting. And as I mentioned, we've been doing this passive income stream. I wouldn't say passive anymore because I run ads and that's not very passive, but I really enjoy it. So that turns out to be about $31.63 a day that I'm spending on ads. And some people might not be able to afford that. I've never spent this much at Starbucks ever in my entire life. Maybe actually I've spent $50 because I bought someone a gift card. But when we talk about like spending, that there's so many people that talk about how much they've spent at Starbucks, and this is not a problem for me. So I just want to frame that for you so you don't get discouraged that like you don't have money for ads. You can start. I have students that have ran ads for $1 a day. Okay. And I actually have somebody that I've been talking to that they have a campaign. They've been doing $1 a day and they want some support on it. And I'm thinking of doing an over the shoulder Zoom call and inviting you guys onto that coaching call to participate. If you think that would be helpful, I want you to type in the comments 3163. I want you to type in over the shoulder ads. I want you to, and actually, if you think this would help, I want you to actually to type in, just type in 37. That's the price that I'll make it. A coaching call about ads over the shoulder, walking a client, a student, somebody learning, someone brand new to ads, turning on ads and being uncomfortable and just the newness of it, right? Because even though I've been doing it for 545 days, I also have the background in Facebook ads. That means I've spent hours of my beautiful life digging into the campaigns. So drop a 37 if you would like to participate in a beginner's guide over the shoulder coaching call of Amazon ads. Just type 37 in the comments. Okay. Let's move forward here. So the lifetime of my account, we just crossed 66 grand in royalties. That's what's in my pocket. And we're at 470 books. I'm thinking of trying to get to 500 for 2023. You guys know this goal has changed a lot. 500 days ago, I was like, I'm going to upload 1,000 books. And now I am a little bit more methodical, and I've learned so much if you followed my journey. So I'm working on making more quality books that are complements to existing selling books, because I would like to actually optimize and get more organic sales as well. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways you can go about running ads. I learned from people that didn't know that did six figures for KDP income profits, but they did it without ads. That's incredible. So there's multiple ways to do it, and I don't mind accelerating results. That's what we need to remember with ads. But also there's a part where it doesn't happen overnight, right? Which is kind of what I want to share. So here is the lifetime of the campaigns, and the very top one, that's my blocked book. So I'm trying to beat that record, but you can see here I'm 1/3 of the way. I've got a ways to go, and it's not as profitable. It's a different round, and there's just so much that I don't have control over with the algorithm that I'm learning, and it's okay. It's okay. Still, lifetime. I'm pleased. I'm grateful. This is our spend, kind of a breakdown. You can see the most we spent. I should have put this on the right side. I apologize for that. $5,000 to sell $40,000. So you can see some of these numbers are a little bit less than the other ones, and my profitability, my ACoS is kind of creeping up. So there's things to think about. For those of you that ask me questions about ads and want coaching on that, I brought up this campaign because it is 6 months old. It's almost 7 months old. And you can see I started this in January. And so if we were to divide how many days in January till this, we're spending nothing a day on this, but it's profitable and it's slow. Okay. So I want you to also understand that profitability can happen slowly. It doesn't have to happen overnight. I have launched 243 campaigns, and not all of them have been profitable. So I think that's just an important thing to think about, that there's a lot of testing ground that we do, and that's kind of why I have the courses that I have, the Ad Momentum Playbook, the Accelerator Workshop, different things to help you learn from my mistakes, but also learn the frameworks that have helped me get to these numbers, right? To be able to cross six figures in sales, not profits yet. We're getting there. So let me know what questions you have. I will put the courses that I have in the comments or the description of this video so you can see if they're a good fit for you. It is also my birthday month in July. And if you have been following my journey over, my entrepreneurial journey of 5-6 years, you guys know that I do a birthday bash. It's a birthday sale for all of my programs, and I would love to know what would help you the most. I'm wondering if I need to launch something for my birthday, a coaching call, or just put all of my courses on sale to celebrate my birthday, my cumpleaños. So here's a video that YouTube recommends. Please let me know how I can serve you. And I'm so grateful that you're here. Love you lots. Peace out.